Josh here, back with another video. Today we are going to be... It's kind of weird. So we have this phone right here. This is a Motorola phone. It's a Motorola phone. And this is super old. It's a super old phone and it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't turn on. Like, here, let me try to turn it on. Yep, it's not turning on. So we are going to take it apart and see what's inside of it. So let's get into this. So I have this screwdriver and this screwdriver. I have these two screwdrivers. And oh my gosh, these socks are so uncomfortable. So we have these two screwdrivers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get into like a crack on like the side of here, like a little hole kind of, and then I'm just going to twist it, and then it opens up, and I'm going to try to pry it open. So let's try this. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. This isn't the actual thing. Here's the battery. That's the battery, I'm pretty sure. And the camera and everything. Oh, is this the SD card? Yeah, this is the SD card. Oh, this is SanDisk. This is 2 gig. Oh, I was thinking a gigabyte was a terabyte. Well, so this is SanDisk, and they actually made the software that I use to edit my videos, or most of them at least. And alright, so that's the SD card, I'm pretty sure. This is just like the outer case of it. But we want to get into the insides. So I'm gonna try to get like the screen off, and I'm guessing that's not gonna be that easy. Oh, I want to see what this battery is like. Oh wow, 3.8 volt lithium ion polymer battery. Okay, so yeah, this is just a normal battery. Sorry about that. That's just the back, and that is the front. That's upside down. I don't know what it is. And this is like the inside. It's weird and stuff. It's got like a it looks like a microchip. We'll see that in a second when we're done taking this phone apart. Now I'm guessing it's not gonna be too easy to get this screen off, so I will see you guys in a sec when I have it off. Alright, finally we got it, and yeah, we got this under the screen. So now it's time to open it up. Ooh, this is hard to open. Oh, alright, there we go. Oh, alright. Whoa, that's weird. So this is the case that was on the front of it, and this is the phone itself. It looks like some metal thing is being ripped out of there. And there's tape around the sides here. I don't know if that's tape. This is weird. Alright, so I don't know if there's Oh, hold on. There's still more. No, I think that's just the side. Hold on. That's hard. Wow. Yeah, that's not coming off. Oh. Oh, and there's this metal thing, though, that I can tear off. Oh, no, I can't. Yeah, that's hard. Alright. Here, I will aim the camera like this so you guys can see this. Oh, I just carved something into the screen. Oh gosh. Oh. Ah. This is hard. There you go. Hi. Oh my gosh. I don't think I should be doing this on my desk. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, I've pretty much made this phone unusable, if it already was usable. Oh gosh. Hold on, I'm gonna take this on the carpet and do it, because then we can get some serious damage. So, here's what happened to the phone, and this is the front case of it. Here is like just the case that it came with. I thought I was gonna sneeze there. This is the battery of it. Oh, this is the battery of it, and oh yeah, here we got the micro SD card, and I might plug this into something and see what was on that phone, because I remember I was really little, and I had this one game on there called Jario, and it was just a rip-off of Mario, and it was just a terrible game. It was called Jario. We also have this, which is, I'm pretty sure it's the SIM card. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, this is a SIM card, and, yeah, this is just a SIM card. I said that about 10 times. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, slam that notification bell, and, yeah, comment down below what you want to see me do next, and, yeah, goodbye!